Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today, not only from the price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 0.038. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 0.038, I am not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes on, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.038 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Near-term level of resistance is going to be right there at 0.048. You can see the price struggled several times around there after the price fell below that area. If the price can get back up above there, then it's just simply a matter of where the party officially stopped today. Earlier on in the day, where that was up there at 0.052. So keep an eye on those levels. But all in all, resistance levels really don't matter. What do I mean by that? Well, what matters is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. As long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher bases, or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as long as the stair steps continue to be built in the upward direction, then give it enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So focus on healthy consolidations and chipping away with those higher bases, and just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.